Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this stock trading platform called Moomoo and eToro. So let's quickly dive into it. Moomoo is built for active traders who want advanced tools without heavy fee. It offers commission-free US stock and ETF trading, powerful charting with level 2 data, and access to international markets like Hong Kong and Singapore. The pros are its low cost, deep analytics, and wide global research. The downside is that beginners may find the platform complex and its focus lean heavily forward active trader. On the other hand, eToro is a beginner friendly with social trading edge. You can trade stock, ETFs, crypto, and even copy top investors, making it attractive for casual trader. Its pros are ease of use, community features, and diverse assets. The cons are highly fee on withdrawal, spread, and currency conversion, plus some asset restriction depend on your region. Overall, Moomoo fits traders seeking depth and data, while eToro is best if you want simplicity and social investing. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.